For decades, we've had different companies create different ecosystems with little to no interoperability between them. And this has affected consumer adoption because product A from one ecosystem might not work with product B from another ecosystem. And Matter is bringing all of these different products under one single umbrella, which is in the best interest of the users. So that you in the future, when you walk into a store and you see a Matter product, you'll know that it works with your smart home setup at home.
Matter is a solution to a problem that we all face and that we all want to be able to understand each other, and that's exactly how appliances live as well. Appliances want to be able to talk to each other. We want to enable interoperability, but everybody wants to be able to speak their own languages. And Matter is the thing that's trying to unite all that in speaking the same language across all those different appliances from different manufacturers, so that you can speak to each other and enable different use cases and benefits for end consumers.
The future is shaped by standards. From the look of power outlets to light sockets, from the key layout of yesterday's typewriters to the foundational technologies of the internet, they all define how we live, how we work, and communicate today. Decisions made decades ago shape our lives, businesses, and markets. We are making those same decisions now, at the beginning of this new open era of smart home. The decisions made today are defining how the industry will work for decades to come. Those decisions can be found in new Matter products across the world. All Alliance members are part of these stories. And if you're a promoter, participant, or adopter, your work is embedded in every Matter product, touching the lives of millions around the world.
Whenever we see some gaps, we also implement and then contribute back to Matter open source. And also many of my technical leaders, they are actively participating with Matter working groups when they define and discuss new technical specifications.
People need a unified interoperability. Right now with Matter, we work with hundreds of different companies together that we contribute our protocol, technology, and devices together to make this interoperability happen. That's the amazing part.
The culture at member meetings, I would say, first of all, is there's a lot of energy in these meetings. People are getting together, working on problems together, networking with each other. So there's just a lot of positive energy. It's a very collaborative culture and enables and gives you the tools to be able to really connect with other people and other companies at a level that you can't do through emails and Zoom or Teams meetings.
At member meetings, we are coming together as an industry with different competitors, all looking to create a solution, and little moments when you notice different companies who have a focus on a different region and all the pain points they see there, and noticing that those same pain points then exist also for our products and with our consumers, and then trying to solve those and really quickly coming to solutions because we're able to share in those challenges.
One of the key benefits of being a member is the opportunity to hear different opinions and positions. Sometimes hearing something that challenges your own views helps to create a more comprehensive product.
What's also great about the member meetings is that you meet face to face, you have great talks, you get to know so many people from the industry, and then kind of talk for the good, talk about improving stuff for the user, which I find fantastic. Primo Limited is just one company with 120 people, so quite small, but due to Matter, we can have a global impact by helping define the spec.
And that's been pretty exciting because we've been able to meet the working group members and actually give our ideas and drive that specification forward, which will ultimately benefit our brand customers.
Tuya choose to become a promoter instead of other roles because we believe that the better or the sooner we can provide an interoperable home for the consumer, that the sooner the consumer will choose to embrace the smart home idea.
Everyone's needs are different. And every home is different. We want to give them a choice of what products that they want to choose that kind of fits their lifestyle. Fundamental premise of Matter is to give users a choice and make it easy, right? Whatever device they choose, so that there is not much of a barrier to start a smart home. With Samsung products and then Matter devices, they work together like a team.
We want the consumers to have a great positive experience in building out their smart homes. And if Matter can actually help them do that, that's going to grow the entire ecosystem of product possibilities for all manufacturers.
Matter become the universal standard of the whole industry.
Because you don't need to talk about licenses, you don't need to talk about whatever. It makes you faster in product development and also easier to communicate to say, hey, we got one standard, everything works. So that's just great.
We always keep the new products to our customers. So even from the lighting to IoT, and now we implement the Matter in the home appliance, like the lighting fan and air purifier. So these new categories in Matter will bring a lot of value to our customers.
We really expect Matter to get a lot of momentum. This is just the beginning. In 20 years, there will be so many use cases we cannot even think about today, which really make lives at home more comfortable, more convenient, and more intelligent. And we want to be part of this journey.
We participate in Matter actively. We believe it can be also a game changer. And this is why we very early, also already beginning of this year, we introduced our smart home controller as a bridge to bridge the existing products into the Matter world. Now following is actually we are bringing the first Matter devices to the market. So we're bringing a new radiator thermostat, we're bringing a door window contact, we're bringing a smart plug to the market to have also Matter-ready devices.
The really good thing is that it makes our devices ultimately future-proof. So many users have had concerns that if cloud shuts down or there are some restrictions, you won't be able to use your smart home at all. But as Matter is local, it solves this problem completely. Even 20 years from now, it will be able to commission the current Matter devices into some Matter app and use them as now.
It's important to get involved in Matter now. Decisions are being made together with our partners. So if you want to be in and if you want to say something about the future, that is the time for you to hop in.
I only have one word for the company thinking about the join Matter, join the group, join the family.
Get in contact, do it, and then see where Matter leads you. Push your products, push Matter itself, so that we can all benefit from the knowledge out there that Matter is the best standard we have.
So the sooner that we can have these things happen, to join forces with the different type of the brands, players, and device makers in the market, the better we can serve the end users, the sooner that we can scale the market.
The Alliance brings together efforts that are shaping the future of industry policy. Our data privacy and product security teams work across Matter, Zigbee, Aliro, and more, ensuring stakeholders in the industry are cross-pollinating and shaping the nature of regulatory policy in a way that benefits everyone. At our meetings, members talk about their roadmaps and needs and visions for the industry, which we can see in Matter products everywhere. Thousands of these products are shaped at Alliance meetings, the place to be if your personal or corporate future are in any way tied to the evolution of the smart home. Thank you to everyone who's contributed so far, and to members just joining the community this year, welcome.